My name is Dr. Ben Thompson and I'm currently the Director of Education and Quality Assurance at Opportunities Workshop. My background is in educational leadership and management, but I transitioned to working with technology and digital transformation, in particular leadership in AI, AI governance and the ethical use of AI. I'm involved in delivering AI qualifications, both via boot camps and skills retraining and to larger organisations. The most valuable thing for me from the IICT programme was understanding how to evaluate AI tools critically, not just using them, but also how best to use them and different ways in which they could be utilised and used, and also responsible use of AI and really embracing concepts such as fairness, transparency and governance. I really like the practical case studies because they help me to connect theory to real world contexts, and for me my biggest takeaway was building confidence in using AI tools hands-on. I plan to apply the framework of what I learnt for delivering the courses to adults and other organisations. I definitely recommend the programme to others because it really bridges the gap between theory and practice. You don't just learn what AI is, you actually learn how to use it effectively.